Here's the charm. I'm not going to open it. And here it is. So here's the little top. The tutu. The sweatpants. The little top thing to go with it. The little bag. I like it. It's very pretty, the bag. Here's the little socks. The headband. Little charm. Oops. The charm. And the little shoes. And here is the Spring 2011 catalog. So that's very exciting. And here's the things so you could do. So I got my pack in the mail. Bye!